Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You're watching Spain News Network. I'm Madiha Saeed with the international headlines. President Joe Biden's $1.9 million relief plans to help Americans during the COVID pandemic has been approved in the House of Representatives. Police in Nigeria have launched a search and rescue operations for 317 girls kidnapped from a school in the state of Zamfara. Lady Gaga's two stolen French bulldogs have been found safe and handed into the police. The release of the declassified US intelligence report into the murder of Saudi journalist Jamal Khashoggi represents a blow to the power, prestigious and international standings of one of the most powerful men in the Middle East. President Joe Biden has traveled to Texas in his first trip to the disaster zones, visiting workers still reeling from a deadly winter storm. The world will hit by more than 1.5 centigrades unless nations produce thorough policies, global stocktakes has confirmed. Myanmar security forces intensified a crackdown against protesters on Saturday, with local reports of dozens of detentions and a woman shot. A US intelligence report has found that Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman approved the murder of exiled Saudi journalist Jamal Khashoggi in 2018.